तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना है कि भारत हमारे खिलाफ अफ़गान सरजमीन इस्तेमाल कर रहा है। कुलभूषण जाधव के एतराफ़ात में भी उसने भारत की जानिब से पाकिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी, तख़रीबकारी और दहशतगर्दों की माली इमदाद का एतराफ़ किया। इस्लामाबाद में हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग के दौरान तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना था।
Continuous unprovoked violations of the LOC by India. Yesterday, as a result of this unprovoked action, one of our brave soldiers embraced Shahadat and 2 were critically injured. 2 innocent civilians have also been martyred and 5 were injured due to cowardly act of Indian forces. We condemn continued violation of LOC and deliberate targeting of civilians by Indian forces. Our armed forces responded effectively. Indian soldiers suffered 5 casualties and injuries. In order to cover the continued heinous crimes that Indian forces are committing against innocent civilian Kashmiris in IOK with impunity, India has been heightening tension at the LOC and working boundary to divert international attention.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा ने कहा,
Indian irresponsible actions pose a direct threat to the security of the region and beyond. During last 6 days, Indian occupation forces in their actions to violently suppress the Kashmiri people have martyred 9 Kashmiris. At least 138 defenseless Kashmiris were injured after Indian forces fired bullets, pellets and power shells in Srinagar, Pulwama, Tral, Shopian, Kulgam, Bishbera, Islamabad, Hajin, Sopur, Badgam and Bandipur areas. Indian forces arrested over 54 activists and students in illegal house raids, mostly at night, which they carry out mostly at night. Night raids, which are contrary to any human rights standards, have become the norm in IOK. The objective is to terrify the civilian population, including children, women, the elderly and the youth, by entering their houses and meting out inhuman treatment to them.
नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना था,
Continued illegal detention of Hurriyat leaders including Sayyid Ali Gilani, Mir Wais Umar Farooq, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Ashraf Sahrai and Zafar Akbar Bhatt, prolonged illegal detention of Musarrat Alam Bhatt, Asya Andrabi and Fahmida Sufi and students under Black Law Public Safety Act and constant denial to offer Friday prayers is highly condemnable. While we appreciate media's effective role in highlighting the plight of Kashmiris in IOK, more needs to be done to sensitize the international community and ensure accountability of Indian forces against the impunity with which they perpetrate atrocities in IOK. Well, Pakistan believes, you have given your question was about that so many powerful armies could not bring peace to Afghanistan, and then how a small increase in the number of troops could. Well, I have to say is that Pakistan believes that there is no military solution to the conflict in Afghanistan. Therefore, our focus should be on politically negotiated settlement under an Afghan-owned and Afghan-led peace process. So we have constructively participated in all initiatives and at all forums for promoting peace, stability and reconciliation in Afghanistan, and will continue to do that. It is our understanding that the personnel of Residual Support Mission in Afghanistan would be involved in capacity building of Afghan forces.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने मज़ीद कहा,
You have referred to is still under legislative process, therefore it would be premature to comment on it also. However, Pakistan-US cooperation in diverse areas are long-standing. As far as our role in the context of peace in Afghanistan is concerned, Pakistan's position is very clear. Pakistan wants to see peace and stability in Afghanistan, which we firmly believe is in Pakistan's interest. We have always wholeheartedly supported all efforts to that end. We fully subscribe to an Afghan-owned and Afghan-led peace and reconciliation process. Pakistan continues to host millions of Afghan refugees for over 3 decades. as a sentiment of fraternity. We have also completed numerous projects in health, education, and infrastructure development sectors with our financial grant of $500 million.
गुज़िश्ता 50 सालों से आपका एतमाद लिए रूफी प्रॉपर्टीज आपके लिए लाए हैं वही मयार रूफी पर्ल सिटी।
अपने लिए मुंतखब कीजिए जिंदगी के शहाना रंग, तमाम सहूलतें, तमाम आसाइशें। ये ख्वाब नहीं, आइए रूफी पर्ल सिटी। रूफी पर्ल सिटी स्कीम 33 की प्राइम तरीन लोकेशन पर M9 इंटरचेंज के साथ मेमार मोड़ के सामने और मेमन हाउसिंग सोसाइटी के दरमियान। पर्ल सिटी 120, 150, 200 और 240 गज के तैयार बैंगलोर पर मुश्तमिल एक मुकम्मल सिक्योर्ड गेटेड कम्युनिटी लिविंग प्रोजेक्ट। ऐसी आसाइशें और सहूलतें जो आपने कभी देखी न सुनी। पहले साइट आइए, तैयार बैंगलोर देखिए, फिर फैसला कीजिए। रूफी ब्रदर्स की गोल्डन जुबली ओवरसीज और साबका तमाम माइनॉरिटीज के लिए 10% का खसूसी डिस्काउंट।
बुकिंग और दीगर तफसीलात के लिए ईस्टलैंड मार्केटिंग UAN 11117834।
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।